Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gentle Media. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect OBS on two systems. Yes, you see, I have two PC right here. This PC will be sending scripture to this PC, and we'll be making use of OBS in this tutorial. All right, so stay with me. And in this connection, we'll be using the network cable. Yes, this one is pretty much fast compared to using wireless connection. Okay, all right, so we're making use of this cable, so stay with me and let's dive straight into the tutorial. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media. All right, so make sure you have OBS installed on the both PC. All right, so now let's proceed. The plugin that will enhance you to send the signal from one OBS to the other, yes, it's called the NDI plugin. All right, the link is in the description of this video. Click it and you can download the NDI plugin. All right, so on this PC you will download it, and on this PC you download it. Once you click the link in the description, it will take you to this interface. All right, so you are going to scroll down, just scroll down. Once you come to this interface, just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down till you will see the assets. Yes, if you are using Mac, you can download for Mac. If you are using Windows, you go for this Windows x64 installer. All right, so once you click it, the download will begin. All right, so once the download is complete, I already have it installed on my PC. Right, so once the download is complete, close your OBS and open it. And once you open your OBS, you will get a pop-up link to download an additional file, and NDI runtime. Yes, so just click that link and the download will start again, and just ensure you install it once the download is complete and you are set. Go ahead and close your OBS and open it back. Okay, so now once you have them installed on the both PC, make sure you install the link on the both PC. Right, so let's open our EasyWorship on this PC. Okay, let's project this scripture. You can see this scripture is now on our output. Okay, so we'll be sending it from this PC to this PC. All right, okay, so let's proceed with the connection of these cables. Yes, let's connect the two PC. All right, this is the step we need to take. Let's connect the two PC using this cable. All right, so let's head over to the PC right here. Okay, so this is the port. I'll just plug it in on this PC and extend it to this other PC. This is the port right here, and I'll plug it here as well and make sure it is well fit in. And there are some PC, once it's connected, you will see a light indicating. All right, so this light should come up. Let's give it some seconds. If the light will come up, if the light doesn't come up, if the connection doesn't work, then we'll have to swap the head of this network cable. All right, so let's give it some seconds. All right, so it's not coming up, so let's try to swap the head. Let's take this head to the other PC and bring the other one to this PC. All right, so let me remove this right here and take it and remove this one as well. So I will swap the head, take this one here. All right, so push it in, make sure it's well fit in. All right, so this other head, I can extend it to this PC and push it in as well. All right, so let's give it some seconds. You can see the light has just indicated that the two PC have been connected successfully. All right, so now let's proceed with the sending of the signal from this PC to this PC. Okay, so on this PC, let's open our OBS. All right, first of all, if you come to your network bar, you should see it is identifying, yes, no internet. It shows that it is connected. The network is connected. If I come to this place, if I click on my network, actually using Windows 11 right here. But if I take my mouse to the top of the network bar and I leave it, you can see no internet access identifying, which shows that it is connected. All right, so let's open our OBS on this PC. All right, let's go to our EasyWorship. The first step you need to take is to turn on the NDI inside this EasyWorship. All right, so EasyWorship version 7 has an NDI feature. So go to your edit at the top there, come to option. Let's wait for it. All right, this page will pop up on the output monitor. Make sure it's on NDI stream. If you click the drop down arrow, make sure it's on NDI stream. You see other options, just put it on NDI stream and then hit OK. All right, so now let's add it inside this OBS. Yes, let's add it in the OBS. Let's create new scene. Let's name it as let's say easy worship. Easy worship. Let's hit OK. And then under the sources, click the plus sign and you see your NDI source right here. All right, so click it, hit OK, and under this first box, this source name, click that drop down arrow right there and you will see the easy worship live. Select it, all right, and then hit OK. You will have your easy worship inside your OBS. So you can right click on it in case yours is not covering the screen. You can actually right click on it, come to transform, and then select stretch to screen. All right, so you can lock it. So we have successfully added the easy worship on this PC. All right, so we are going to send the signal to this PC right here. Let's create new scene. You can actually name it as easy worship as well. Name it as easy worship as well. Hit OK, and under the sources, click the plus sign and select NDI source. Select NDI source, and then hit OK. All right, so under the source name, click the drop down arrow and you will see the Bible PC. All right, so sorry, I forgot to show you something. Okay, all right, so let's go back to this PC. You are going to give it a name, your NDI name, so that other PC can recognize that name. All right, so on this Bible PC right here, head over to your tools right here, come to tools, come to distro AV. You can see this is the plugin we just installed, distro AV NDI. Click it. Make sure output, main output is selected. All right, make sure it is selected, and then main output name, just give your PC a name. All right, so I just gave this one Bible PC. Okay, so just give your PC a name and then hit OK. And on this PC, you can actually give it a name as well. All right, so you can go to the tools up there, come to distro AV NDI setting, and then select the main output. Make sure the main output is selected. Output name, you can select, you can type any name you want. Take for instance, let's say, take for instance, this PC is the one streaming, so let me just name it as streaming PC. Or you can name it as main PC or secondary PC. This one right here is your primary PC, while this one right here is your secondary PC. This one is the one doing the main work. Okay, you can go ahead and hit OK. All right, so let me just delete this and start afresh. All right, so we've created a new scene and named it as easy worship. Now let's click the plus sign under the sources and select the NDI source, hit OK, and click this drop down arrow right here. You will see the Bible PC right here. That's why you have to name the NDI so that you can differentiate between the PCs. All right, so I will select the Bible PC and then hit OK. All right, so I will right click on it, come to transform, straight to screen. All right, so I can lock it. Ensure you always lock it, this key right here, lock it. All right, so you won't mistakenly drag it. All right, so as you can see, I have my signal from this PC to this PC right here. Let me send it out and let me just preview so that you see it boldly. All right, so if I head over to my easy worship on this PC and I make any changes, you can see I'm double clicking. You can see it's changing on this other PC, and you can see the signal is fast. It's not slow compared to using wireless. All right, so this is how to connect OBS and send your feed from one PC to the other PC on the OBS. All right. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop your comments, share this video with your friends and your loved ones. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link is in the description as well. All right. So don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media.